I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm going off to Australia. I've got to get going or I'm gonna miss my flight. So I'll see you there. Right, so we are rushing to the gate because I had to take some Instagram photos. So it may have caused us to miss our flight, but that's okay. We'll just get on the next one. Touchdown Australia. We finally get to get our bags and get the hell out of here.
Totally
Tripped her out.
It totally freaked me out.
What did?
Look, it's on the other side. I've never
I just went to get in the driver's side in case you missed that. We are in Melbourne, day one of exploring. We're heading off to beautiful St Kilda. There's lots of cake. There's a beach. We have our Mikey. And now we're gonna go explore. So the place that we found has Instagram props. She's so excited.
What are you doing?
Found this. She found our ice cream. Really good. Taste the almond butter.
And the
What way do you look when you cross the road in Australia?
left.
No.
I keep doing the opposite.
Get this.
It's only my second day.
Everyone here seems to think there's penguins in St Kilda Beach.
I meant to say
She's worried I'll behead one with my drone.
you say seagull. Yes,
Penguin?
Like penguin came out. I
Sure.
suppose.
View that I want to record with my drone. I'm just so scared. Should I do it?
Drone. Do you want to fly again? You do?
Finally finished touring St Kilda.
We flew droney.
We flew droney and we went and saw Acland Street, so you saw all the cakes. We had coffee, shopping of course in St Kilda too. So that's it, we're heading back to the city now. And the vlog for tonight. It's footy day in Melbourne. This one's so excited. I'm gonna try and pull over to the Eagles side, even though we're on the East Coast. West Coast baby. We're just off to find some coffee and then we're off to the game. Do the American how it's done.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record.
We're here to see the koalas and the kangaroos and all the little Australian animals for this one over here.
The American.
Parents are behind us, rolling along. Got the same colour hair as you, Dad. Good job. Gosh! Kangaroos! They're so cute.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
We did it. We saw the koalas and the kangaroos.
Yeah.
Yay.
We got really excited.
Yeah, this one got really excited. Off to Chandon, to the winery.
Yay.
Yay, wine! Champagne.
Up.
We'll see you there. Let's do it.
Basically a full-bodied red wine, so dangerously delicious.
Down to the last one.
Cheers.
Just did the tasting menu, so we tried 6 wines. Oh yeah, we got a 7th. We got the orange bitters one.
Pinot Noir?
The
Pinot
sparkling
Shiraz.
Pinot Noir.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
they were both very good.
Such a beautiful day here now. Yeah.
She's drunk.
Yeah, so she.
Cheers.
Cheers to Melbourne.
Look at that view.
Yeah, look at the view behind us.
Hurt a little.
It's probably because you hit a wombat earlier.
It wasn't a real wombat.
The bruise is there.
Wanna see how bad?
Oh,
Oh, scars.
from Australia. The fake wombat. Wasn't even a real one. It's our last day in Melbourne today. Me. We don't want to leave. We're going to Chapel Street today. Prahran Market's open today, so you guys see the farmers markets. And we're going to go get breakfast and then we're going to go shopping.
Do you know where we're going? Supposed to be filming Elise right now, but I'm having more fun filming myself. She has no idea. Just walking on a mission. I'm supposed to be filming her enter. This is what happens when you give me the camera and do what I want.
We just finished breakfast at Middle South East.
It was amazing.
It was so amazing. Sugar rush, coffee rush, healthy rush too. And now we're off to go check out the Prahran Market. Good morning, guys. Hello. We're at Healesville